So let me show you another one here. This one I really like. I have some of my own money in this right now, and it's been doing pretty well. If you go to our website, this is the website that I use to invest my own money. You can see the Ethereum trend following. This thing has been killing it lately. It is, especially in the middle of a bear market when the entire crypto industry is down like 80%. This strategy is just doing fantastic. It's quite simple, right? There we go. So here we're looking over a 2-year time period. This strategy over this 2-year time period would have made you 140% return, and that's over the same time period when Ethereum was down 13%. So not only did you not lose money, but you made more than double your return, right? Here's basically this graph. The thin blue line is a back test. The thick blue line is running live. And then the gray is basically Ethereum. So you see that the blue line, we are smoking Bitcoin smoking Ethereum by quite a bit, right? So what does this strategy do, right? And here's another, here's another longer term back test of it, right? You can see here over a long time period from 2018 up until 2023. I ran this recently because I needed to do it for our website. Basically, you got 4 times the return of Ethereum. Ethereum has been doing pretty well, right? It's done about 11% a year, pretty good return. This algorithm was making 38% a year, right? So we're getting 4 times the return of Bitcoin almost, right? And again, lower max drawdowns, lower volatility, right? So getting a higher return with less risk, pretty damn good if you ask me. That's, I mean, holy grail kind of thing, right? Really, really nice returns. You can see the blue line just skyrocketing above Bitcoin. We're just really beating it. Actually, sorry, this is trend following, but for Bitcoin. We have one for Ethereum, we have one for Bitcoin. It's the same algorithm, just trading different assets, right? Either way, still doing very, very well. So what does it do? Basically, you can pay attention to all these different symbols. You can pay attention to Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever. You can change the time period, but it's a very simple algorithm. All it's doing is looking at the exponential moving average, or the EMA, you might know it as, and taking that exponential moving average. And if we're above the exponential moving average, then we buy the asset. So in this case, Ethereum, we will own Ethereum if we're above the exponential moving average. Or if we're below it, then we will just sit in cash and hold on to the sidelines, right? We're basically following this trend, right? The reason why we're doing this is because if we're above the exponential moving average, we say that the market's trending upwards. So we want to own it when it's trending upwards. And when we're below it, it's trending downwards. So we want to exit. We want to hold on to cash. We don't want to lose our money. And just doing that very simple action makes quite a bit of money in the long run. Right? So that's our trend following strategy. I would show you this. This is not a very exciting one to see trade live, just because it doesn't trade very often, but it does make some very, very intelligent trades and makes quite a bit of money doing this stuff, right? I know some people that are running this algorithm. I think there's 2 or 3 people that I know that are running this algorithm right now, and I think they made something like 30% in the past month trading this algorithm. So doing quite well, right? Actually, I think they did that for almost 2 months in a row, like 20 to 30%, did quite a bit of money that these guys are making running this algorithm.